Properly inflated tires tend to last longer. The proper inflation numbers are measured in PSI, pounds per square inch, and located on your vehicle's door frame next to the driver's seat. To measure, you can use a digital or dial-type pressure gauge. Be sure to check your tires before you drive on them, or once they've cooled down. In addition, your vehicle is equipped with a safety feature to tell you if the tire pressure is low. To view TPMS, push Menu on the steering wheel, then Off-Road, then Tire Pressure. When your vehicle reaches 20 miles per hour, sensors start relaying pressure information every minute. If any tire's pressure dips too low, it triggers the TPMS warning icon in the instrument display and a pop-up that shows you which tire needs air. Here are some things to keep in mind. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.